Here's a quick fix for the E450. This is a 2014 E450 motorhome with the Hellwig front sway bar and the Ford bolt that strips out of the back. You see here I've already dropped a new bolt in. Here's what happens when I was driving and came out of a gas station and the rear bolt rips out. Here's the stock rear bolt that rips out. It just does not get enough threads. Here's what I'm going to be replacing it with. It's a 10.9 bolt, all 10.9 hardware. This is cheap stuff from Home Depot. Drill bit and a piece of wire to drop it through the box frame. This is the mounting, where the mounting plates go. Here's the front bolt, which has a nut on the top side. I stuck an endoscope into the frame to see what was on the top of here, and it's really inadequate. It's about a 1/4 inch thick. So I'm going to be drilling this hole out and dropping a new bolt from top down. The new bolt I'm using is an M10, 10.9, and it's 60 millimeters long, which will give me more than enough to grip it if I need to. Since it's about 9.8 millimeters wide, I'm using a 25/64 drill bit to enlarge the hole slightly. I'm now on the driver's side. What I'm going to do is there's a short piece of wire, stiff wire attached to this bolt. I'm going to feed it through here and drop it out the hole in the bottom. I found that it's easier to lay on the ground and watch looking up at the hole to feed this through. It should take about. If you're wondering why I don't use a washer, it's because there is a flare that's going to sit on top of inside, and also a washer won't fit in this configuration through the frame. Now I'm going to go down below. Okay, now we're through, and now it's as easy as grabbing onto this white and just ripping it off while making sure this doesn't come up with it. Just a note, this is how it should look before I tighten it. I'll still be torquing those down to the proper spec. Since this bracket is bent, I'm waiting for Hellwig to send me a new one. They were really nice on the phone. I think they realize this is a big problem, and they're sending me a new bracket, a new setup with for no charge. And after that, that bolt will never come out again.